Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how can we create report suites in our Adobe Analytics. So what is report suites? Suites, those are nothing but buckets. We can think of buckets in which we are going to put reports. So maybe we can think of creating one report suite for our site. Okay. Later on, we can also think of creating multiple report suites. So for example, one report suite for a dev environment, another for QA environment, or maybe another for stage environment, and finally for production environment. But in this video, I will explain how can we create a new report suite for because that is like a start of where you are going to store all the reports. So a very basic thing with what we have to do for when we talk about Adobe Analytics. Okay, I have logged into the Experience Cloud, and what you have to click on the admin. If you don't see it, means you don't have permission to it. So maybe you need to ask your organization administrator to give you permission. Then only you should be able to see this tab, and then click on Report Suites. Okay, the report suites which are already created, you can see those, but for this demo purpose I'm going to create a new report suite. So just hover on to this create new icon and click on report suite. Then we have to fill in this form. So the very first thing is we have an option. Either we can create a new from the new template, create from a template, or if the template is already available, then we can use this duplicate an existing report suite. So in case, for example, we have already created a dev report suite, and now we want to create a new for stage or for production environment. In that case, I will just select the duplicate one, and maybe the one what I have created is already available. I can just select it, and then the same kind of template will be used over here. But for the first time, of course, we are going to create from a template, and then we can select the templates available. We can change it later on, so it doesn't really matter. So I will just go with the default one, and then we have to give the name. Basically, first thing is the suite ID. We cannot change the suite ID, so just give it a name. So if you see here, it will be previewed. So this is a prefix which will be appended to the suite ID, and then a title, a meaningful title, which we can use when we'll create reports using workspace, or even within the reports we can see. So just give it a meaningful name. So and then we have to select the time zone. I will select the nearby. Yeah, base URL is not mandatory, so I'm not just filling it up. Then the go live date in which we are going live, estimated pages views per day. So let me just put some data, maybe 100 pages per day. And this is the base currency, as in what is going to be stored in backend on Adobe side. So I'm just giving it a default one, the USD one, and then just we need to click on the create report suite. It will take some time, and after that it will be created. Okay, and so that's it in this video. This is how we can create report suites. In my next videos, I will cover how can we use these report suites to create in the workspace, as in how can we create reports, etc. That I am going to cover. So stay connected. Thank you so much.